The name in French, it's Tom Crayeuse. I don't know translation. It's Tom Crayeuse. You have to say it, Tom Crayeuse.
Tom Cruise.
So what about this one?
It's different because it's got. It's two. All the rest are cold because it's stronger for the travel, and it's not stronger. After this fromage, this cheese are in the family of Comté. This is a Comté, and he stay in the cave for 36 months. He's very good.
Oh, it's giving cheese.
And
So I should try this before that.
it's stronger.
Yeah, sorry.
Which one is your favorite?
This one. Very good.
I don't get to that.
And it's
Five.
Bleu du Queyras. It's a region in France, in the southwest.
It's kind of sweet.
Sorry?
It's kind of sweet. It's sweet.
I don't know.
It's sweet.
Sweet.
Oh.